I hope I don't throw up because I ate a lot of food.
That's right, baby.
It's okay.
Oh, it's gonna be too late. Daisy?
Yep.
Win, Johnny.